Yeah, that's true. Look at the roof. Holy crap. Let's open this app. What was once a nice car. Oh well, it's now a parts car. Cool wagons. The Tornado. One of the first front-wheel drive cars, I believe. If I remember correctly. Oldsmobile Tornado. Is this a Rivy? It is a Riv. 63 4 Riv. 63, there you go. Too bad. Beautiful cars. Truly one of the most beautiful cars. If you just look at the lines of this car, probably the 65 is the best. But that's my opinion. I'm sure everyone else has got their opinions. There you go. There's a 65. See the difference between the taillights? 65's got them in the bumper, nice and clean, whereas the 63 and 64 is in the taillight panel. I think that looks much more clean. Also, the 63 stops here for this license plate bumper, whereas this one's a nice clean line and the bumper's underneath it. It doesn't have this big hump. It's just a clean, straight across bumper. Looks much nicer in my opinion. 65 Riv. No side scoops like the 63 and 4. And also the 65's got clamshell headlights, whereas the 63 and 64 are inside the grille here, and it's just got the clamshell detail. You know, good parts cars, that's for sure. Hard to find parts for these cars, especially the headlight motors, which I'm sure are already gone. You got the AC compressor here, power steering. Oh, what else you got? What else? Factory original steering wheel. Too bad it's garbage now. So here's your side vents. Well, just details. They're not actually vents. They're just side scoops. And this is the 65 that doesn't have them. Just little info on the ribs. Another 63, 64. It's got the what's it called? The grill in there. That thing weighs about 50 pounds. Too bad about the dent. It's good door skin. The door skin actually unbolts, I believe, from these cars. Let's see if it opens. Nope. Big drum brakes. Look at those monsters. Whew. And so see, this is the grill part of the 63, 64, whereas the 65, it's one big grill with no headlights, and the headlights are in the front fender right there. Really beautiful interior as well on these cars. Back seats are like sofas. Well, not anymore, but they once were. This car looks like it had power seats as well. By the look at this toggle here. Up, forward, back. Maybe that was the power mirror. I'm gonna guess it's the seat. So there you go with the door skin. The door skin's actually bolted on, and you could actually remove this as one whole piece. It doesn't have a seam or a lip that folds over like most of the 60s cars. Try and save as much as we can here. Look at that, it still closes. Little later model ribs. Another one there. Chop top. Oh, another 65 there. Just hoarding them. I want some. Look at that interior. Look at that beauty. Big console. Very nice. It's a shame. It really is a shame. Look at that. That weighs a ton. That beautiful hood. Good old 401 by the looks of it. AC compressor, power steering. Look at these. These are perfect parts cars for anyone looking for stuff. So there's the headlights and the grille, like I said, and then 65s were in here behind a grille option, I guess you would have, I don't know what you would call it, like that, behind those little fins, the clamshells they call them. Wow, this is crazy, crazy. I can tell you this, I wasn't expecting this many rivs here. One of my favorite cars. There you go. Here's a clamshell. Here's a good little tech tip. So this opens up and reveals the headlights. It closes, and this would go. Oh, well, there you go. There, it's right there. So these close. Anyways, you get the gist. 65, 1 year only. Rare. Hard to find stuff. Someone took the door skin. Look at this, motor and trans still in there. Kevin, is that a switch pitch? There's the 65 grill without the headlights. Cut myself on a piece of glass. Oh well. No big deal. All in the fun of hunting. Boat tail ribs. There's some other ones. Oh my god. This is a shame. Oldsmobile Tornado. Jay Leno made one crazy car out of those. It's like 1,000 horsepower or some twin turbo madness. Just crazy. Where's the Mustangs at? Any fastbacks? Come on, give me something here. I don't even know where I'm going. Just too much stuff, honestly, so much stuff. There's so much to look at. You can spend weeks in this junkyard and still not see everything. You need a golf cart, that's what you need. Yeah, these wagons, pretty cool. Some Trans Am or Pontiac rims there on that one. I love that roof line right there. Just stack them when you run out of room. It's probably a good roof on that car too. Oh well, I guess. Novas. Nova. 4-door Nova. Tons of them. Just tons. Well, I can say this is the best junkyard that I've ever been to. Hands down. Hey! It's going good. I saw. With the purple windows. I'm thinking of you right now, Brando. Yeah, you might want to go check over there. Those are all Rivieras. Yeah, 401s, and I did say nailhead. Yeah. Yeah. Well, actually, it's perfect weather for this. Got the sun on us. As long as you're wearing something black, you're good. Keep you nice and warm. Couple mid-century Pontiacs. Cool Fords here. Look at this. Now we're talking. What? How does that work? Just kidding. Oh, look at that. Someone put a different steering column in there. Cool. Very cool. I don't know where I'm going here, so I'm just gonna actually continue here. Maybe not. Screw it. I'm gonna watch out for all this horse poop or whatever that is. Look at this hood. Just mint. Awesome stuff. Awesome. This is not supposed to happen. It's not allowing that to go. There. That's your problem. There we go. Now she can close. Wow, this is insane. This is insane. A couple 50s, Impalas. Let me get a video here quickly of all this on my phone. All right. This solid short box. Look at this. Mint. Everything's just mint. Well, dented usually, but mint. Watch, the Canadian's gonna get bit by a snake or something. Jesus. Honestly, I'm probably gonna miss so much stuff. Look at all those C10s over there. Short boxes too. Spiderweb galore. Stick truck. I won't do that. Cool. Flatbed. Ooh, big axle. Oh, cool. International. Continue on here. Just stepped in a bush. Let's see these first. A long box. That looks like a short box over there. Short box? Nope. Long box. Sport Custom. Love the color. Great color combo, blue or the teal. With the white, just the old ones are pulling me. Come look at me. These are so cool. Yeah. Okay. Look at all the glass. Jesus. Camper Special. Dodge.
Look. Wrap our hands like in Bloodsport. All this glass.
Yeah. Look at all the C10 goodness. Or that's a C20, but you know what I mean.
That would be too kinky.
That's awesome. Kev, you look funny with that thing on your head. This guy, just the one.
I'm Texan. I told you not to tell him your Don't cuss at me. Them there's fight words.
No, we're not. Hey? Spoke with you already?
Seen you already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm John.
John?
He's your Texan. There you go.
Genuine?
Yeah.
That's genuine right there.
I'm from Iowa, so I'm like the middle ground.
Yeah.
And I'm just the north guy, you know.
Lost.
I'm lost.
We don't even know what happened to these guys.
If I remember correctly, this is one of the brothers that runs CTC Auto Ranch. Truly great people and awesome to talk with too. Tons of stories were shared during our visit of their absolutely amazing collection of cars. Anyways, I'm going to stop the video here. Big thanks to everyone who already has subscribed and is following along. For all the new viewers, if you like what you see, stay tuned for the next episode and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, this is Mike from Classic Mustangs 429 signing out.